News that U.S. President Donald Trump delayed a tariff increase sent Asian shares rallying in today's trade. Hopes of monetary easing from the European Central Bank today also helping boost investor sentiment. Now, South Korean stocks led the rally with the Kospi index up some 0.9% and Kosdaq adding over 1% in trade today. The South Korean won also reaching 1,183.08 per dollar. That's its strongest since the end of July. Across in Tokyo, both the Nikkei and the Topix rising for an 8th straight session of gains as well. Investors clearly welcoming Japan's new cabinet unveiled yesterday. Safe haven currency, the yen, saw a retreat. It dropped to a 6-week low. But over in Hong Kong, the Hang Seng Index dropping as much as 0.4% before making a slight recovery in trade today. It ended the session down some 0.14%. Weighed down by shares in the Hong Kong Exchange. That was after it announced that takeover bid of the London Stock Exchange. The HKEX plunging 3.6% before ending down today 3.5%. Better news on the mainland, where Chinese stocks climbed 0.8% on the Shanghai Composite and 0.6% on the Shenzhen Composite. Both the onshore and offshore yuan were boosted by trade optimism, adding 0.4% against the greenback. Overnight, Washington announced that it would postpone ramping of tariffs on Chinese goods as a gesture of goodwill. That's after Beijing made a similar move yesterday. The U.S. had scheduled a tariff hike on $250 billion worth of Chinese imports from the 1st of October, which also marks the 70th anniversary of the founding of the PRC.